Okay, let's shift focus now to the commodity markets. Equity markets are doing great, but what's the one commodity that you should be looking at today? Manisha Gupta is here to tell us more. Manisha, over to you.
Thank you for that, Sonia. Well, the commodity markets have opened on a positive note today, but I'm keeping my focus on the crude oil prices because we've seen stronger gains come in for this one as well. 2% in the overnight markets. It seems to be consolidating at this point right now, inches away from that $80 a barrel mark on your screens there. The markets have seen support ahead of the U.S. inventory data that comes in today with an expectation that you are perhaps looking at a decline in U.S. inventories. We have seen in the recent days decline in gasoline and distillate inventories because the demand has been surging, and that clearly has been supportive. Apart from that, it is also about the Chinese officials suggesting that you could be looking at stronger stimulus measures coming in. I mean, we have been hearing those statements for some time now, but with every data that comes in on the weaker side, the hope clearly increases, and that has been supportive. This time around, whatever the China surge comes in would be on the consumption side, recovery and push for that, and that's what the street is depending on. Russia also says that they would be planning to further trim oil exports by 2.1 million barrels per day in the third quarter. So that would also take the surplus crude from the markets there. Apart from that, the dollar index yet again trading at a 15-month lows clearly has been a supportive factor. So has been the fact that the U.S. retail sales data has come in on the softer side, and that tells you that the inflation seems to be easing and the interest rate hikes in the rest of the year may not be so great. But it's not just the crude oil prices. The natural gas prices gained up by 5% in the overnight market. There are projections that you could be looking at further heat waves continuing in Europe. The US and Canada also are looking at higher temperatures. The air conditioning demand has been on the higher side. There has been higher gas production in US as well on a month-on-month basis. But with the way that the demand is picking up and inventories have seen a decline, there could be some more support that you could see in the energy basket there. This is what we've done on a month-on-month basis, really, in case of many of those energy markets there. So the crude oil prices are up by nearly 6%. We've seen natural gas prices gain up. Even gasoline and heating oil prices have gained up anywhere between 6 to 7%. So good going as far as the energy as a sector goes.
Okay, Manisha, thanks a lot for that.